Hello. Please. Please, bot. Don't do this to me now. Goodness gracious, guys. This is it. I'm gonna cry. Oh, lordy. Oh, lordy. We're back. Please, bot. Guys, ping it, please. Ping the bot right now. I removed Streamlabs, he said he finally. Oh, no. The bot was doing so well. Please don't tell me. The bot was doing so well, too. It was in it. Yo. This is nuts. Please, bot. Stay. The bot was there, dude. This is how my day's been going. It's just one of those days. Yo. Yes, thank the Lord. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. The amount of time it takes to just relaunch a stream is ridiculous. Oh, man. That hurts, man. That hurts so bad. Okay. We're back. Welcome. Oh, dude. Thank God Bitcoin's green today. We have a real serious problem. Yo, what's up, guys? We're back. Gosh, dude. Oh, man, I'm weak. I'm weak. I need to pull up Discord here. Oh, buddy boy, I gotta change the link on the Discord. Meanie. Okay, hold on. Bear with my errors. Errors in the chat for me. That was horrible. Errors in the chat. Errors in the chat for Jaclobus. Yo, that was so bad. Alright. Dude, like, what is it? What are the odds of that? I sit there as like talking badly about Stream Deck, and I frickin' just close it. I close it, dude. Gosh, I just closed down Streamlabs. What am I doing? I'm glad the bot's working. Hopefully that muted. Listen to the music really quick while I cry in real tears here. Bring the music down a bit. All right. Okay, we're back. Thanks for the bless yous, man. I appreciate that. Bitcoin prediction, yes. Got to be in the main chat for that. Okay. Lord help me. All right, I got a new proposition for you guys and Mr. Pepe here. Let's get to Bitcoin predictions before the stream crashes again. Bitcoin, man, almost 71K. All right, so here we go. We're going to, first off, we're going to make a new account. Guess what the new account's going to be? You guessed it. Pepe predictions. Well, I don't know why we didn't do this before. All right. Okay, I get it. So, okay, I get it. All right, so this is Pepe's account. And guess what? We go really quick, full screen. Pepe on him. I got to get a better pen. What do you see? It says more or less. What a great idea, right? Pepe, you're going to be competing against Pepe now. All right, so Pepe is going to put in his Bitcoin prediction every day as well. So really quickly, let's go ahead and go with the Bitcoin price, guys. Get our Bitcoin predictions in before the stream destroys itself again. All right, before the stream destroys itself again, let's go ahead and do our price predictions. If you didn't get your points added from yesterday, just wait, okay? I promise you I will add them from yesterday. Do not worry about that. I think I did figure out the bot, though, guys. I think they updated Streamlabs a few times, and I think I can get it every time. I'm praying. It worked today. Let's wait to do it again. All right, the price we're going to go with today while we're waiting here is, I just looked at it. I'm going with that price. It's going to be 79.40. Here you go. If you guys think it's going to be set more or less than 70,940, Type in exclamation BTC more or less, depending on your prediction. While you guys are doing that, though, let's go ahead and dive into our old pal Pepe, see what he picks on the day. Pepe, what's your pick, brother? What you got for me? We're going to see this guy might print, dude. He's honestly a legend. Less. He's going less for the day. Pepe with the less for the day. I got to put the instant buy buttons up. So let's go, Pepe. Great job, dude. Pepe's going less. All right, that's the Pepe account. Pepe account's going less now. Jacob's going to put in his. We're going to put in all these Bitcoin predictions. All right, guys. The difference today. All right. Gosh. I think we go an hour. 30 hour and 30 minutes. Hour and 30 minutes from now. So hour 30 minutes from now. In 30 minutes, it's going to be 4 Eastern. So market close, guys. Market close. That's going to be Bitcoin predictions, okay? Market close is going to be Bitcoin predictions today. I'm sorry. Just the stream's causing havoc. But Pepe with the less, dude. We'll see if he gets it right. Let me go to mine. I need to rename this. Can I rename this? Mine's been so bad. All right. Let me go to mine and put in my prediction, and then we're going to jump into actually analyzing this. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I think y'all know what's going to happen with me today. The only issue is, dude, like, it's just crazy. Honestly, I'm going more. I don't think I can go against not going more for this. I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm gonna go more. All right, guys. Besides that, let's go ahead and just jump to analysis now before things get too hectic here. Goodness gracious. We're going more. Y'all know the drill. Come on, brother. We're going more. Bad place to probably do more, but whatever. We're not really gonna debate on that. All right. Let me get everything lined up here for the mobile streams as well. Get those Bitcoin predictions in if you want to be a part of it today. I cannot believe that we just freaking botched that, dude. I cannot believe we just botched that. Good gosh, that's the worst, dude. Inverse Jacob. Okay, go with the less. I mean, me and Pepe are going against each other today, dude. Me and Pepe going against each other today. All right, I'm going to go live on TikTok real quick. I'm going to call it Bitcoin Breakout. Yeah. Go live over there. And then we're going to go live on Instagram as well. I just resetting the Instagram and everything. That's just horrible, dude. Like, having to reset all of that crap just sucks. Just freaking sucks. All right. All right. Moore's already winning. Let's go, Bitcoin. Yeah. All right, we're back. I'm going to give you guys a light gold today because I ruined it. It's my fault. I'm sorry. You got to keep an eye on the camera. I got to keep an eye on so many things these days. All right, everybody. All right. Welcome back to the Lux Isle live stream. Just joining us. Welcome. We just decided now Pepe is going to have his chance in making picks. As you can see on the board for Pepe on the wheel, it says more or less. He picked less today. So we'll see how he does with his Bitcoin prediction. If you want to be a part of your Bitcoin predictions, you get 100 points added to your profile if you are correct by the end of the stream. Please join the main stream. Join the one with me as the thumbnail. Hop in. Okay? Hop into that stream. Get your Bitcoin prediction in by the time we finish analyzing Bitcoin. My prediction is going to be more. Y'all know me. I'm Bitcoin Bulls all day, baby. Bitcoin Bull all day. All right? So, let's get cracking. First off, we're starting with a daily time frame. Y'all know the drill here, to be honest. We're targeting right now 71,500, 71,430, 71,450. Any of that, all right? That's what we're targeting, okay? So if we could get that price point, we're going to go over gold and Ethereum here in just a minute. So right now, I'm going right for this level. That's where we're targeting this week. Now, hold on. Gotta switch it back yet again. Yeah, the Moore's already ripping, baby. Let's get those Bitcoin predictions in if you haven't already. Why isn't this working? There we go. Boom. All right, that's our target right now. We got to go retest 71,400. So if we don't break through that, yeah, don't even bother, right? Let's not even bother. Now, that being said, though, let's look at this really quickly. Let me pull this up. Besides, first of all, cracking and pretty much delivering on this breaker here. Breaker blocks in right there. We could see what's juicy and what we talked about a trillion times is the fact that this thing beautifully bounced off the 382. It started that golden pocket bounce. Didn't have any problem with that retracement. What else do you see on Bitcoin? I'm going to eliminate all indicators here. And what else do we see? We see a beautiful wedge, right? This is close to a bull flag. I wish it would have broken lower. I will say we could consider it a bull flag due to the open close lows, right? Still setting lower lows, but this had a massive wick low. Regardless, you had a very temporary downtrend breaking into an uptrend on the daily time frame. So that's the biggest thing here, breaking that trend and continuing from where we're at. The biggest reason we're pretty much moving, though, is the SEC approval of the spot ETF for Bitcoin in Thailand. So, right, Thai SEC, boom, approval, boom, price up 3% today, 2,000, right? Crazy moves. So in that case, we're targeting the 71,400. But in the, looking at it now, that looks really nice. I pray we just break through it, right? But in this case, right, we got a order block sitting there as well. So we just got to wait. That level, though, is pretty primed. 71,500. Anywhere around 71,500 is where I'm going to consider, this thing more than likely is going to either have some issues there. It's going to blow right through it. If it blows right through it, this thing will go to an all-time high. I promise you. This thing's going to absolutely rip. Okay? So, it's just a matter of getting through that level now on the daily. Let's go to the weekly really quickly. So, the weekly in this state here, the nice part is this is bouncing off that previous weekly high volume area from back in 2021. Obviously, open close highs kind of paired right there with that beautiful box there. Massive bounce back, similar thing here. You had a very nice fade from the highs. We talked about holding 65,500. We talked about continuously trading above this level as well. We're waiting for Bitcoin now to make this breaking move, right? Huge update with the Thailand situation. So that's really nice. Yet again, Bitcoin continuously proving that people want to buy it, right? And it is consistent. That's the nice part. So in this case right now for Bitcoin, we're just waiting this week to see if this weekly candle can close over last week's high, which is 70,613. If it can close like that, guys, more than likely this week or next week, we'll hit that all-time high. If we hit the all-time high this week, if crypto's here, I'll do a cartwheel on stream. I swear to God. I'll do a big boy cartwheel on stream. All right. Bet money, I'll do it. If we hit a new all-time high this week. There he is. I was waiting for your response earlier. I'm going to have to practice, though. You can do a cartwheel? That's what I'm saying, dude. I don't even know. Ever seen a big boy do a cartwheel? You're about to find out. So stay tuned. You better come back. People ask you what they say. What do you say? You got your long in? All right, guys. So this is my Bitcoin prediction for today's stream. If you want to be a part of today's Bitcoin predictions, you can place one too. You just got to join the YouTube stream. You'll see a bot in there. You can place your Bitcoin prediction. In this case right now, I'm going for more. Let's see. Pepe picked less. Pepe should be winning right now. Pepe is winning right now. Yo, Pepe might actually go crazy on this. Pepe actually might go crazy on this. He's already at the less there, already in profit. Go Pepe. All right, Pepe will for the win. All right, that being said, guys, weekly open close high sitting there as well at 71,307, 71,300. So I'll be watching that 100% on the weekly. That update, though, very strong. All I want to see this week is closing over that high of 70,613, okay? So watch for that closure this week. Obviously, we got 5 days and 6 hours. It's a long time to go, but that's what we're pretty much looking for here. Besides that, guys, I'm going to take this off before people get a little too crazy. Besides that, guys, the retest of the Neo Cloud was beautiful. We retested it, decided to treat it as a shelf. We exited it, clearing a previous weekly high, and then made its push back to the 70s. That's exactly what we wanted to see to continue this trend that we've been in. So this is literally very, very nice. Gotta love it. Can't get better than that. So we're going to stick with it. Now, that being said, here on the, I'm going to optimize this here, on the the optimal sensitivity for the daily time frame, right? This thing didn't even get inside the neocloud. All it did was touch it. Now, notice, where does that neocloud line up with? If I just box this off, lines up beautifully with that previous lower high. So the fact that price went down with that lower high 2 or 3 times after a, guess what, inverse head and shoulders, completely deleted that bearish imbalance. This thing, or bearish imbalance, completely deleted that bearish neocloud. This thing is absolutely primed and ready to hit that all-time high. I honestly think we're going to get there. Natasha and the upcoming, man, if you want to get your Bitcoin prediction in, make sure you go to the main stream, okay? You're in the wrong stream. Go to the other YouTube stream. Do your Bitcoin prediction in. Goodness gracious, dude. We're all over the map today. That being said, guys, right now, 71,406. We'll be watching that like a hawk. But we do have a 31% order block up there. Pretty even on the volume side, so we'll see what happens. This is our second time retesting, so the more we retest an order block, the more likely it is that we break it. So let's frickin' go. Let's break that order block and get through a new all-time high, baby. 100K this year, I promise you. 100K this year, get ready. 100K this year, get ready. I guess I can't promise anything. It's not financial advice, but come on, baby. Cycles. Cycles is key here. Let's go. All right, Bitcoin predictions are done. Bitcoin predictions are done. If you didn't get them in, I am sorry. Yet again, 70 entries. Gosh. I went more, and Pepe went less. Let's see what that is. I'm closing it now. Boom. If you missed it, you missed it. You had plenty of time. I'm sorry. If you didn't get your points in from yesterday, make sure I will add them. Okay, I promise. I will add them. All right. I need to blow my nose. Oh, all right. Let's go over Ethereum, and then we're going to touch on gold, I promise, okay? Let's go over ETH. We'll touch on gold, and then we're going to take suggestions here after we go over all the majors. Ethereum is where it's at, though. Guys, we're respecting the beautiful breaker block, as you can see there already, on the daily time frame. Previous high, now becoming support. You got to love it. You can't get better than that. I want to see a daily closure over 4K. I also want to see a weekly closure over 4K. If we can get both of those, I'll be very happy. But regardless of what I just said, the biggest thing is watching this week to be a little bit more or less optimistic to talk about what should actually happen for this week to continue into next week. Would be if we can close anywhere around the 30, or what is it? The opening price from last week, around the 3,800s. If we can close anywhere in the 3,800s, I will be a happy camper. I think we'll be ready for potentially getting that weekly to break through the 4K again. So we got very close last week, but if ETH kind of sets up here, we'll get very close potentially next week. And again, if TAI SEC says, hey, let's approve the Ethereum ETF here in the next few weeks, by all means, dude, this thing's hitting 4K again. So get ready for that. So potential of that 4K break. Obviously, we're looking for that 4,600 once we get a weekly close over 4K on Ethereum. But right now, guess what? All we did, yet again, we talked about this on the first bull run. On the Ethereum chart, guess what? Price ripped back in 2021. Absolutely got obliterated off 4K and that 3920. Guess what? We put a line right there. Ripped down, right? Huge reaction. Price goes up, retested again. And then yet again, major reaction off 3927. We mark off the lowest open close high of those two levels, and then we go back in time and we consider that level yet again as a take profit or a potential resistance, and bada boom, bada bang, there's two in a row there. There's not really much to talk about. That's why you plot your weekly levels. Don't forget it. You'll hear me talk about it a billion times. Touched a nice imbalance here on that pump above that previous high. The weekly looks really strong here on ETH for that potential continuation. So long as we can close green on the weekly, be nice. Daily time frame is just trying to get a range. The money flow profile is still sitting heavy down here, right, guys, before that major run we had. But if you go to that 4-hour time frame, look where it's at now. Even through all this price action. What's actually quite interesting is let's look and see what it's at with 500 bars. Does it jump down or does it stay there? Look at that. In all of this price action right here, in all of this, look at all these levels here. Majority of the volume traded, peak volume traded, was at the level we are at right now. At the level we're trading above it right now. That's absolutely awesome. You can't get better than that. So, see that all the volumes trade up here? People don't give a piss about those other levels. They just want to buy it up here or trade it up here nonetheless. Either way, they're putting in the volume up here, which is really nice. So seeing that makes me excited for this level to hold. I'm going to go back to 200 as default there. But yeah, we're above that value range as well. So my biggest thing now is let me get a 4-hour close above 38.50. If not, let me go to the daily here. Let's go to the daily close. And if we can get a daily close over that same price, 38.50, would be pretty ideal. Obviously, I would rather close over yesterday's high. Never mind, which was 38.50. I thought it was a little bit higher there. Guess not. 38.50 was yesterday's high, so close over that, man. We'll have a good day. Either way, if it goes to where we're at now, again, 3,800 is key, but if we can get a really nice close over 38.50, I think we hit 3,900 maybe tomorrow or the next day. So, you know, that open close daily high sitting there around 38.90. We'll see if it has issues on there, but man, oh man, nice move so far on Ethereum. I was 20 minutes late, had to restart the stream. Yeah, that was lame. That was lame. I can't believe I had to restart that. If you want to put your... never mind. We're done with Bitcoin predictions. Okay. Right now, though, Bitcoin, where is it sitting? Is it more yet? Is it still more? Bitcoin. Where's my Bitcoin? It's going to be close. What was it, 940 or something that I had? All right. My, oh my. Solana, I love you. All right, we're going to go over Solana in a second. Let me go over gold before the gold fiends get bored. Let's go over gold before they get bored. All right, first off, y'all know on yesterday, yesterday we discussed the price action we wanted. It looked really good, I will say. It looked really good for a breaking move, but guess what? It didn't break. So we don't give a pith about nothing but gold breaking. You hear me? Pith. Yeah, we're gonna use that again. I need to make a emoji that says pith or something in a fun way. All right, but again, all it was that 2360. We discussed it on stream yesterday. It never broke above it. That's what I wanted. We didn't get to break above 2360, and that's okay. If we were going to break above that, I would have been, ready to rock. But we didn't do it. And so we didn't do it. We don't trade it. That's just how it goes, right? So in this case, right now we're back down regardless. If that thing broke, it would have been a lot more bullish because it didn't. And you pretty much can see what happened. In this case, though, we are in a period where the oscillator is riding in between that 50 level, meaning that it is consolidating. That's huge. So the nice part is, though, it keeps going down to retest this low yet again, retest it again, and bounces back. It bounced back earlier on the 23.21. It just bounced again off 23.24, and the low of this was, 23.15, and the low of this was 23 pretty much 15. So that's pretty much big to watch. We have to see us break in either direction to give us any type of movement, right? That's the biggest thing right now. Right now, you're in this high volume area. If you're trading at the lower end of it, I would consider more bearish. Regardless, price action is bearish here. You had that change character after that bear flag setup, which is beautiful. We retested the low. You saw me pump iron for that one. We ended up breaking that low eventually and making a very nice closing price under it. Bounced right back off of this order block. From back in early May, and now we're just kind of hovering here. So again, we need to see a breaking move to either side before considering any type of setup here on gold. You can't really play the cards right now. In this case, though, regardless, I would still be short versus long on gold. If we go to a daily, though, let's keep an eye on it. Yet again, the daily here, making some weird price action at these highs, but it did go up and sweep these highs, and now it came back down, set a lower high. So this reject that imbalance there, yet I'm still looking for that 2300 retest. I think 2300 is way better odds right now for a retest. Money flow flipped as well. No bullish turning points. Yeah. If this candle closes where it's at right here, around 2325 or so, 2327, you'll probably see potentially tomorrow go into the 2310s, maybe lower. So we'll keep a close eye on it, right? But it has, if it closes here, if it gets bought back up tomorrow, you might see it actually potentially break yesterday's high. So that's a big thing to keep an eye on here for gold. The best investment is in gold because it will never lose its value. I don't know. Digital gold's coming up to bite it in its butt. I mean, the great, let's look at the difference here this year, right? Where's February? Where's January? Let's start here. January right here. Boom. January start here. Wow, we're up 13% this year. Oh my gosh, 13% on gold? No way. Let's look at Bitcoin this year. Hold on. Let's double check here. First week of December here. Let's see. Booyah! 61%. Hallelujah. Merry Christmas. Let me go buy myself a Bugatti. You feel me? All right, that's why we pick Bitcoin over gold. But again, obviously, gold, we know its history has been around way longer than Bitcoin. I'm not saying gold isn't a bad buy. We just love Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin is king right now in the digital world. Now, obviously, I'm not going to say don't back yourself with a little bit of gold, but Bitcoin, man, gotta love it, dude. Just measly 13% versus a whopping... Yo, DK Wilson, welcome back to the Hodl Gang, buddy. Let's go. Hodl Gang's in the chat for our boy DK Wilson. Welcome, man. 14% versus, or whopping 14% versus a good old, or sorry, measly 14% against a whopping 60%. I mean, come on, baby. Let's get it. Good to see you back, though, DK. Yo, Doberman guy of the 2 months, brother. Welcome, man. Or not welcome, but appreciate you being here for 2 months. I always forget it. That's not a new member, but he is here for 2 months. You're the man. Let's go. Can you explain the Pepe chart in the short neck? What? We'll go. We'll be going over some suggestions here in a minute. Okay. Camera frozen. Okay. At least my mouse is working. Yo. I'm telling you, this is it's today, guys. It's one of those days, man. It's one of those days. Just one of those days, brother. Just one of those days. All right, camera. Camera better not be overheating now. It's not hot. That's weird. It's not. I'm not getting the hot warning either. I'm just I'm breaking cams and everything, dude. What is wrong with me? I should be back here in a sec. Yo, what's up, baby? Come on. Show me the money. Don't do this to me. Wait, did it unplug or something? It might have unplugged. Hold on. But man, oh man, gold. Come on, Cam Link. I know you're there. Alright, I'm about to disable it. Why you doing me like that? Don't do me like that. Alright, we gotta do a whole USB unplug replug. Here we go. USB unplug replug. Is this it? Yeah, that's it. Somebody get me a technical person. Just kidding. There we go. I'm back, baby. Welcome. Sell Bitcoin, buy cam. Yo, I got a nice camera, okay? Chill. This thing better, my zoom frame better be working. It's not. Lame. There it is. There's in the chat for camera. We're back. All right. That's gold though, baby. Where did you learn to trade? I've just been trading for like 9 years. But man, just look at the charts, brother. Look at them. Sell cam, buy Bitcoin. Absolutely. I like that one better. I like that one better. All right. So, my friends, that's pretty much gold, guys. A weekly chart, though. Weekly, you know, this is pretty clean, right? It's still trading well above that Neo. Let me optimize this to 14. I said in the dashboard down here. It's still trading well above the Neo. So overall, long-term wise, I would still be bullish on gold. I mean, this is so clean. When price trades above that Neo cloud, we're looking for that continuation of the upside. So dips are good buys. But obviously, you can see daily here is pretty much retesting or staying within that Neo cloud. So seeing that, I definitely want to see if price can exit that before considering any bulls. And we talked about the 2360s, right? We got to get through the 2360s. We're still rejecting here. I still think we can go retest the 2300s. I would say your odds to the downside are way greater than the upside right now. It's just too big of an impulse to that downside. One of those days, man. I mean, thank God Bitcoin's pumping. Yeah, Handyman, it's all about dedication, man. Just get with it. Keep looking at the charts every day and keep going. It's all about the grind, brother. Like anything, right? It's all about the grind. The nice part about trading, too, guys, is that we can, like, you can literally paper trade if you're like not feeling confident, right? You don't have to risk anything and you can still enjoy it. All right. Again, though, guys, stream will be done in an hour and 5. All right? Before my whole setup catches on fire. You feel me? You feel me? All right, let's go into the euro, man. The euro got absolutely caked as well. The euro got caked as well. What's up? What happened? Elon guesses Tesla will spend $3 to $4 billion on Nvidia purchases this year. All right, that's a lot. It's a lot. I mean, man, oh man. We'll see what happens. All right, so on the euro though, yo, this getting bought back. Damn. Yeah, Silent. I don't know, man. You're like. That's the problem with Iran and India. It's like they ban a lot of things over there. The banks are in heavy control. I couldn't really tell you what exchanges work for you. I'm sorry, man. Sorry I had to deal with that. I would advise maybe moving to like UAE or something or whatever it is. The Dubai area. All right. That 1088, nice little bounce back. Look at that imbalance bounce back there. I don't like that price dropped and closed below that high. Don't like that. Not a huge fan when that happens, when price comes down and doesn't bounce right off a previous high. It literally just destroyed that high. Not a huge fan of that. So with the euro here, the only nice part is, look at this here. The 4-hour chart is respecting this trend, which is good. If I were to consider actually a potential trade on this, I'm going to watch the daily. The daily here, let's close over this previous high of 1088. If we can close over that. Remember, we're still looking. We're still watching for the 1095. I would like that a lot. I do like the turning point that happened yesterday. And we're showing a good retest here. The weekly time frame, obviously, I want to close over last week's high of 108891. So we're pretty close to that. The 4-hour, though, yet again, respecting this order block or respecting that imbalance, but again, it didn't retest that. It retested that high and didn't even care about it. Look at this. Look at the GP 618 bounce, though. That's nice. And a 50% retracement. That's very nice. Both of those, already being treated. So, there is a potential. There's two imbalances, though, it's trading through. So, I don't know. Are they going to, are shorts going to reclaim this level? This could also be a neckline for an inverse head and shoulders if that previous higher high there creates a lower high right now. So we'll definitely be keeping a very close eye on that for the euro. I'm glad the euro did break out, though. So essentially, though, here's a trade setup on the euro that could happen too. If the euro does go ahead and break this low, though, and then we get a retrace, you could potentially take that out. The nice part is, though, I like that it bounced and swept this low and then broke this high here, right? Broke that high. Watching to see how it respects here is pretty clean. That immediate, turnaround to pretty much breaking that high is pretty clean there. I wish I would have taken a trade off of this respected high here. That candle right there on the 4-hour was huge for that big breaking move. So nice setup there. If anybody took it off like the 1085 retest, which is awesome. So right now would still be bullish on this, but it's just, we'll see how today closes. Let's close over 1088 today, or even whatever this high is here, 108851. And I'll like it. Did Jay not... What? Dude, now my chat's like messing up too, dude. Everything's going weird today. We went over Ethereum earlier. We can touch on it again. Yo, Silent, you as well. You as well, my friend. You as well. All right, let's keep going. NASDAQ, let's look at it. NASDAQ with a bounce back, dude. Like, holy moly. That's insane. NASDAQ's insane, to be honest. Look at the retest though. Wow. Look at the retest of this breaker. So again, remember what we said here, when there's a lot more sellers than buyers, right? That's usually, right, sellers are exhausted. Look what happened. Got bought back off that level and then broke it, making it a breaker. You know what that means, right? If that was supposed to have buyers step in and sellers took it, more than likely that's flipped now. When you retest that level, you get sellers stepping in. And granted, like, that was 6 a.m. when it happened. Then we had the 10 a.m. news drop and ended up dumping on that. But this higher low now playing and clearing back through looks super clean here. So I do like that a lot, to be honest. It's taking out these lows. We need to get back up through this high of 1878.7. I mean, if we can get up through 18,800, this thing's probably going to go test 1890 and 18,900. In the Discord today, I was mentioning also, by the way, that if we can clear this 15-minute range right here, we would literally probably rip. I know I discussed it earlier. Let's see. Let's see here. Right here. It looks like it wants to go and open, and then where was it? I posted something about it. Oh, that's just too late now. Guys, make sure you join the Discord, though. It's absolutely free. Did I put it in here? Oh, no. Maybe I put it in the in our chat. Did I put it in the Lux Algo chat? Or the Auto Gang chat? I don't remember. It was earlier today. Maybe it was... I don't think I put it in the Forex chat. I swear it's in the Futures chat. Could be wrong. Wait. The news dropped it and it bounced back. Hold on. Somebody asked somewhere. Oh, no. They asked in Hangout. I forgot about that. Somebody asked in the wrong chat, but that's okay. I got to find this because I want to see what level we said earlier. 7:41 a.m. Where am I? Where is it? Where is it? I'm almost there. I got to be there soon. There it is. Boom. 7:30. 730 was that upside. What did it hit? What did that hit? Hold up. That high there? 753. That's insane. So it ripped through 730. But look at that order block it retested. Yeah, guys, join the Discord. I mean, I'm going to start posting some stuff that I like to see. Like, I really wanted to see if we break out of the range, could see 730. Again, you know, I didn't put the 18K, but we broke out of this pre-market high here, 18,677, and went right for that high up there off this previous order block as well. That was a beautiful breaking move. If anybody was, regardless of me even saying, I mean, obviously nobody probably saw that because I'm still now just starting to chat with everybody. You were in the other stream this whole time? Is it still up? I probably need to disconnect that. But massive move here. Look at the NQ right now pulling back pretty aggressively. Yeah, what is happening? Hold up. Yo, BK, we got an update on this? We got an update on this volatility? I don't think we had any later news, right? Oh, was it this? That was 36 minutes ago. That's kind of crazy. There's been Biden brokering a deal with Israel. Oh. That. I wonder if we'll see any movement on... should see some movement on gold as well. But I think it'd be more of a bullish move. Can Biden even have a decent conversation with them? Like, is that a thing? It's probably not even him talking to him. Dude, wow, up and down, crazy moves. Should hit 23. What, 6? You think so, Teddy? You think gold's gonna break it? I mean, if this is true, it's possible. I want to see that breakout though. We gotta get the 2360 break on the daily. I need to get through 2360. It's all NVIDIA. What's NVIDIA? The video's, it's all right. Today's pretty choppy. All right, ES and NASDAQ going nuts. Right now, though, watch these highs, man. We broke out of that range and absolutely ripped, right? 5-minute range there, broke out of it, absolutely ripped. The 18.65, I'd watch that. Look at the daily. That, remember, we marked off this previous level of 18,580-ish, right? What's crazy, too, is, I mean, look at this previous kind of open closed area high here. Anywhere around the 18,570s, and price just respected it beautifully off that imbalance. Wicked that breaker, and now we're getting ready to go. Obviously, there's some heavy news coming out this week. That's why I didn't go over. Tomorrow, guys, we have the ADP employment change. We have the Canada rate decision as well, so we got to keep an eye on that, okay? So remember that. And then PMI at 9:45. Heavy news tomorrow. Heavy news tomorrow. And then we had NFP on Friday, so remember that. We have NFP on Friday. That's big. NFP is always big. So keep a lookout on NFP. Did India election affect global markets? I mean, I haven't done Solana yet, no. So NASDAQ, I'm going to be watching this week just the 18,550s, man. 5.7s, 5.80s. Anywhere at 18,500s, honestly. I'm okay with anywhere above 18,500. We need to watch that this week. Maybe get that continuation. What a wick on the 4-hour, though. Look at it wick that breaker again and gets sold, dude. That's crazy. Remember what we said? Exhausted sellers now could be, you know, reclaimed sellers, right? It was exhausted before, then it broke. So sellers, they don't like this level. They're going to be taking it, and they have been. Crazy. All right, let's go to Solana, and then after Solana, we'll be taking suggestions, guys. We have about 55 minutes left on stream here. Where's Bitcoin right now? I think good old frickin' what's his name is winning. Yep. Wow, Pepe's winning today so far. Pepe's killing it. How much is Pepe up today? Yo, Pepe might be the move, guys. I mean, obviously, Bitcoin predictions are always a gamble, but like, dude, if Pepe prints money, I'm gonna copy trade Pepe. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Pepe's killing it, dude. You're amazing, bro. Pepe, this guy's amazing. Freaking went with the less today. His thing's on more though. He hit less though. Pepe's in the chat, dude. Pepe's in the chat. This wasn't hard. All right, Dane, get out of here. Pepe's killing it. He's amazing. He can predict the market. All right. Sorry, let's do Solana. Boop. All right. My oh my, Solana, how I love you. Okay, Solana, guys, we've talked about it a trillion times. All we want is a hold over. All we want on Solana is a hold over 160. Let me go back over here. There's my levels. So we're continuously getting that hold over 160. We respected it beautifully. I want to see if this thing can continue to trade from here. This right now, I'm going to get rid of these. Leave my weeklies. This right now, like we said, off this pivotal low here, inverse pretty much head and shoulders as well. Look at that 50% retracement being beautifully respected. I mean, you can't get better than that. Again, off a high, if you were to long-term trade this on spot, not margin, dude, that's a level there. If you wanted to spot trade this 163, there you go. You're locked in. Beautiful. Beautiful retracement for that uptrend break. Swept the lows, created a higher low, broke the high. Now it's respecting that previous high. Can't get better than that. Right now, this week, 174 would be that target. On the weekly, though, again, yep, 174. Just close at or above 174. I'll be super happy. I mean, obviously, if it closes above, 2 weeks ago, that's opening price, which was 169. Was that right? Yeah, kind of where it's at. 169.90. So 170. Closes anywhere above 170. I think we're solid into next week. But again, 174, remember, right? Look at the rejection we had. 174 was a clear reactionary level on that weekly time frame. Open, close, and then bounce, open, close there. Not crazy reactions, but it is a price in which we were struggling to break, and we finally broke with a massive impulse. So same with the downside here, broke with a massive impulse to the downside. So it is a considerable level, but it's easily broken. So 174 would be that target right now going into next week. Besides that, man, 200, lined up yet again on the weekly. This was a crazy bounce and then massive reaction off 200. So obviously psychological as well, the 198. So I'm going to be watching right now for that breaking move. Handyman said, what website you use to see news events, dude? All you go is to our Twitter at LuxAlgo. You'll know everything you need to know about what's going on in the market in real time. Guys, just all you got to do is follow the Twitter. I promise you we'll keep you updated with everything that you need to know, okay? No nonsense. We'll post charts as well, but nothing that's like promotional or anything. It's just every news that you really need to pay attention to in the current market, okay? Really any market. So follow the Twitter. We'll go over, we'll likely hit 174, then come down and back test 169, 170 peg. We'll see, man. If it's stuck in this range, that's fine. But yeah, obviously if it respects that 174, that's what I'm looking for. So if it breaks out of that high, that lower high, comes back, respects 174, I'm happy with it. Upside target for now, though, would be the 186 again. And then after that, we're going straight for 198. So that's what I'll be watching. What are the 14 to 15% indicators? This is the price action concepts indicator. Get the order blocks. Yo, Mike, appreciate it, man. Hopefully we don't have any issues. Praying for no more issues. Come on, brother. Please. Look at Rune. Yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get into what y'all want. While you guys are throwing in what y'all want, we're going to raise the desk. We're going to get crunk in here. Let's get up in our standing desk. Make sure my plug doesn't unplug. Please don't do it. Please don't unplug. Stand up, up. Beep, 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 beep. Stay plugged in. It's plugged, dude. It's like at level with this, I bet. So for the last 50 minutes, we'll be standing. Let's getting impatient for 250 on Solana. Come on, jockey. It hasn't been that long. Get your ish together. Stay alive, Phantom. Yo, dude, I'm like clumsy or something today. Some juju's off today, dude. Something bad. If I don't show up on stream tomorrow, something bad happened, okay? Need help, tired of my job. Mike, you know what I've seen people do, Mike? And this is if you want to just, it depends. Like, I have a family, so I literally can't not have a job, something that's stable, right? But luckily I've been around with LuxAlgo since the beginning, so I was lucky enough to be a part of this and be here with you guys. But Mike, I've seen people do it, dude. If you have a place, if you're by yourself, man, you have a place to sleep. I've seen people do DoorDash at night, save up some money. And then, if they have a laptop, they just start trading, but you have to treat it like a business. You just sit down every day, take one trade a day, man. Named Juju yesterday, device you showed us. Oh, yeah. Juju? You want to? That's a good idea, actually. His name's Juju. I like that. Who said that? We'll call him Juju. Come on, buddy. I need good Juju. We'll call him Juju. That's good Juju right here. I like that. Who said that? Adam? No. Varun. Varun said Juju. I love it, dude. Okay. His name's Juju now. I need a good place to put this. What if I could just rest him up here on Pepe? That's not going to work. All right. Juju, you stay there. Mojo. God bless. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm going to start with Link. All right, so we posted a link chart there. Let me go back. Boom. Here's our link chart. So here's your 8-hour. You got that bearish divergence. Oversold, though. You guys can't see that part. Bearish divergence, oversold turning point right there, which is good. Respecting 18 and those previous highs. Let's see, though. Let's see on link here. There's your bearish divergence. The nice part is here. Look at this extended trend here on the oscillator. If that thing gives me a bullish turning point, look, the money flow increasing as well. If that thing gives me a bullish turning point, we might actually rip here soon. I've loved the pullback we've had so far on this. From this breaking retest here, we're pretty much, look at that 50% lining up with that previous high there. If this thing continues to trade above kind of the 1730s there, I like it. Obviously, I'd rather reclaim 18. And then we'll talk about upside target. Yeah, somebody banned milkshake memory. There, get him out of here. Get him out of here. Get the spammer out of here. All right, but yeah, these previous highs here. I mean, why are you throwing that in here, brother? I mean, the nice part is the 50% retracement does line up with this previous high as well. But I think that turning point will occur before it even makes that full retracement from that low. So we kind of already had it. I don't know. Yeah, I think this thing holding over 17 looks super solid. That turning point there on the daily looks really good. And then obviously these previous highs lining up nicely too. So yeah, even on the weekly here, from its breaking low there, I mean, yeah, I guess it could have a chance to come back down if it respects like mid 16s, like 1650. That's fine. But I think that daily looks like it wants to hold sooner than later, right? So let's keep a close eye on it. But, you know, we'll watch 17 for now, 1730 for now. 1730 looks really juiced. Really juiced from these lows, trying to bounce before it cleared out. Yeah, 1730 is the watch right now. Then upside target obviously is going to be 20. That's an open close daily high right there. Be 20. Then, I mean, the trend there on the oscillator is so clean. Mike said, I do Instacart, Uber, Life, and make custom LED light. Yo, Mike, I mean, you're on your own hours, man. If you want to be dedicated to streaming, if you want to be dedicated to trading, I mean, you can do streaming, too. You can do whatever you want, brother. I'd motivate you. Just go for it, dude. Like, if you can set up a plan where, like, you can, like, your everyday expenses are, you know, just minimal, and you put everything into, you know, learning how to be a successful trader, you got to treat it as if you got nothing else to lose, right? You don't want to just go in with full risk, but you want to be able to maintain a decent amount of profit per week, right? You need to just map it out, create a business plan around what you need to be a trader and live on your own, or whatever your goals are, and just do it, dude. I mean, that's what it comes down to. The minute you start treating it as a business, your emotions go out of it. Work with what you need. You know, in business, you take losses and winners, man. It's all about the time. You mean gain? What do you mean? XRP to 1K. Get him out of here. The next person that says XRP to 1K in my chat, we're gonna have a serious problem, dude. XRP 1K, dude. Are you crazy? What are you smoking, dude? I think you're saying Solana 1K. Honestly, I think Solana 1K. That's where you need to be. Goodness gracious, dude. XRP 1K. All right, what's up next? FTM. That's what's up next. Balls finally pumped. Everybody, really? I think I still hold some. I haven't even looked at it. You just did that to make me look at it, dude. You made me look at it. Gosh, take it, dude. Look at him. You got me. It's not easy full time, Tom. It depends your obligations, dude. Like for me, I couldn't do it, right? If I was by myself, if I was by myself, I would ride a couch until I forced myself to be a profitable trader. If I was in that place, right? If my dream was to be a profitable trader, I would ride a couch until I got there. Doing what it took, right? You just gotta. Sometimes that's what it takes. All right, FTM, man, respecting that breakout as well. Again, FTM though, I think we talked about this yesterday. If this closes over 85, we need a daily close over 85. I think we're good. So get a daily close over that. It's retesting that order block right now. It's very minimal order block though, 11%. Nah, after the lawsuit, I think XRP could flip ETH. I'd rather love to, but ADA than XRP, yeah, honestly. Caleb's for real though. Hey, I told you guys. I told you on XRP, okay? I told you on XRP. First of all, up 1%. Whoopee, great job, XRP. You did great. I told you on XRP though, guys. If we clear $1, I'll start considering it, okay? If we get back over $1, when this little baby can like finally get up and be a big boy again and get over $1, then we can talk about XRP. But not right now. On FTM though, just has to get over that 85, man. 85 is big on FTM. I think it looks solid above that. It's respecting these highs beautifully, actually. It looks really good. Money flow profile, that's what's sitting down low. That's good. Signals and overlays here. Yeah, that would pretty much take out that Neo there. That'd take out the top of that Neo cloud, probably make that move through 90. So if we can get back up through 90, the Neo would start flipping. I do like that this extended to the upside with aggressive buyers and it faded back down. That means the trend is potentially starting to change on FTM. Obviously for Phantom, I've liked that one as well as FET. Phantom and FET I like a lot. So we'll be keeping a close eye on this one. $1. Probably already be liquidated at that time. Let's go over Near for Mohammed. I love Near, so you hit my sweet spot there. Near finally making its bounce. Weekly, though, let's talk about it. Weekly chart, there's that breaker getting respected as well, and an imbalance. If you see an imbalance and a breaker kind of line up, and it's on a weekly look at this. Weekly previous high here. You guys on mobile can't see. Weekly previous high here, marking that off, right? Rejection, high. You had a order block off that as well. It's pretty dead center of that order block. We get a breakthrough with a breaker and an imbalance. Price retests. Pretty much closes this candle right here. If I saw that on Near close like that, bouncing off a breaker and imbalance and a previous weekly high like that, open close high, I would have freaking full ported right there. Honestly, probably wouldn't full port, but still would have been an entry there. That would have been money. All of that's lining up. Money flows nice and heavy, right? It's like on the bull side. So it's like everything said, yes, sir, buy me at 650, 645, right? Looking good, man. This looks solid so far, though. $8 we need. It's just, that's the one thing right now in this current spot. I need $8 to get retested. I wish this would have hit 750 though. But get up over 750 again. Then let's go for 8, and then we'll be happy. I think up over $8. Like, sorry. Let me read over my other chat here really quickly. Somebody said, what advice would you give someone that is trying to get into trading? Do you go live every day? Yeah, Fearless, we go live every day. Sometimes I miss 1 or 2 days. This weekend I do have a wedding in Dallas to be at. So Thursday we're not going to be streaming, but I think I'm going to stream Friday. For somebody completely new, the biggest thing I would suggest, go on TradingView, open an account, my friend, start looking at the charts, dude. The best thing you can do is start just adding that to your daily schedule, right? After you look at the charts for a little bit, consider paper trading for just a tiny bit. I wouldn't paper trade that long. I would only paper trade for like a month or two, and then after that you need to add real risk. You have to add risk, otherwise you're not going to understand what type of trader you are. Risk determines every trader, my friends. It determines everybody. If you don't know your risk and how you go about trading, then you won't know how to get proper trade setups. I'm a very risky person, so I have to go for like longer plays for swinging and stuff. I'm trying to like develop a trading strategy around low risk with the NASDAQ. We're gonna see where that ends up. It's doing okay right now. We'll see. I'll sell Near if it reaches soul prices. Trade spot, bro. Either way, even if you trade spot, man, you have to know your risk. All right, Render here, dude. Okay, Render's holding the 10. We talked about the 7 buy already. 7 buy, all that came from was off that open close high on the weekly from the Binance opening week. Like, that's crazy. That bounce back is quite nice here. Back over 10 on the daily, though. It just has to hold 10, dude. It's still holding 10. Love it. But I would, if anything, want Render to just get out of this chop here. It's like, get me through 1130 or something. Like, show me aggressive buyers or sellers. I don't care at this point. Give me something. But if it's going to hold 10, this is still bullish. So, I really want to see 1130 break, though. Around there. Somewhere around that price. If we have like 1120, 1122. I mean, if it breaks through that, we'll go for 12. Rune. Oh, yeah, our Rune trade. I gotta pull that back up. So Rune right now, remember what we said yesterday? Yo, freaking Pepe's killing it, dude. Let me go to our Rune. So Rune, y'all know the drill. Remember, our Rune, we took off. Hold on. Let me go to the setup one. I forgot we didn't go over setups. Freaking LDO didn't set up for us, I don't think. Hold on, did it? So remember on Rune here, you guys should be in your last bit of positioning. I missed the original move. But Rune for now. Remember, I sold a quarter. Should have sold half there. We should have entered off here. Wait a second. Where'd that line go? We said 732 was that TP2. I didn't get it for the second time. 732 was TP2, TP1, TP2. You should be less than 50% in your position right now if you haven't already. But for now, so long as we don't get an aggressive close over this low right here, 595, I think we're going to be good, especially with Bitcoin picking back up. So next target after that, we closed out quarter at 7. Next target's going to be 732 again, and then after that, we're going to be going for 777, and then 936. Again, this is paper trading. I legally can't actually trade real money on this stream, but you guys should at least be already taken profits at 2 levels. Okay, so if you're in that trade, you should already have been out at 2 different levels for that first move. All right, LDO was the next one, dude. I still think if this thing gets a turning point, could be solid. Let me see here. I think it could be solid. It's holding up right now. We'll see. I don't know. I think it's very limited right now. Wait. Okay, guys. Actually, Pendle might give us the trade tomorrow. Be ready. Let's go, baby. Come on, give us the trade tomorrow, please. If we get the Pendle trade tomorrow, I'll be hype. Pendle might give us that trade tomorrow. Pendle might give us that trade tomorrow. So we'll see if Pendle can. If it does, that first target's 689. Just need that bullish turning point. Come on, baby. It's not. I mean, yeah. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Could be good. Did you get off 6 there, Dame? I know you were talking about it. I know you were talking about it, brother. I go to the other chat. Hold on. Is this paper trading? Yes. Yeah, this is TradingView, man. We're paper trading on TradingView on this stream because I can't legally actually live trade on this account at least. All right. Let's go back to stream. I can't believe Pepe's killing it, man. Let's see. We got roughly 24 minutes left. Or, sorry, 34 minutes left. And then we'll close the Bitcoin predictions. Or, sorry. Pendle's great on 6. Yeah, we talked about it today. Jasmy. Let's do that one. Hold on. Let me do. We'll do Jasmy after ENS for Punk Jenner real quick. Rose. Guys, sorry. I'm literally streaming on YouTube twice, Instagram once, and TikTok. So I'm going to try to take everybody's suggestions as I can. But if you're a HODL Gang member, you always get priority. If you want to join the HODL Gang, you do get 5 entries to every single Friday giveaway. If you're a normal sub, you only get 1 entry. So make sure you join the HODL Gang. That $300 giveaway every Friday, you get 5 entries. We had, I think, 1 or 2 HODL Gang members win last week, which is awesome. Congrats to them as well. All right, yeah, this thing still hasn't done anything, dude. It bounced back. I mean, this thing's got to, if it holds 25, sure. I mean, this thing's, there you go. Get the high volume. This is high volume right now. So get me back over 26. I like this weekly candle. If it needs to close up though. If it can close up, I like it. Daily's chilling as well. I think it's just kind of waiting. Yeah. Had a nice pump, retesting those highs. I mean, we'll see how it closes this week. But for now, for like the 4-hour, just continue to hold this area. So I was just going to trade above 24.60. I think you're going to be okay for the time being, but we'll see how it does. I appreciate that, Bay. What did I say? I want to go after this. Somebody else mentioned. Oh, Jasmy. Let's do that one. Jasmy. Yo, this thing's ripping. Bruh. All right, so first off, destroyed that level. 3.667. Nice. Look at that major reaction after that impulse there off the 3.667. Price went up on the weekly, closed right at it, pretty much rejected it on the daily here. Man, look at the amount of green candles. Gotta love that. Where do we head next? That's the big question. Let's go back to the weekly. If this thing closes where it's at, I mean, you got room now on Jasmy up to like 7 cents. I mean, I will say, first off, go for the high of this candle over here of 4.9. Didn't fully hit 5. I would say go for 4.9. Go for 4.5 to 4.9 first, And then I'd be going all the way for 7 after that. If it's going to hold. But, man, what a push, dude. This is a very nice push it's had. Today looks good as long as it closed over yesterday's high. But if it can close over this high from 2 days ago at 40148, I mean, you're looking good for that continuation. 5 is in sights. 5 is in sights. I don't even know what Jasmy is, dude. Hey, yo, if your guys going to spam symbols on TikTok, I'm not going to look at them, brother. I see y'all's chat. Don't spam symbols, please. But I know Rose. TK, I see TK in here a lot. I'll look over Rose. Yo, nice call on Rose, though. The indicators I'm using right now are the money flow profile and the price action concepts. Both by us, Lux Algo. One's free, one's paid. But you can try out the price action concepts risk free for 30 days. Guys, look at us. We're clearing this breaker now. We had a breaker here. We're retesting it now. We're clearing it, which is really good sign. We're coming out of the bearish neo cloud as well. This actually looks really good for a potential reversal here on Rose. So TK, good one so far. This thing bouncing, kind of bounce off those highs here on the weekly. That's good. What I don't like is I would be watching right now. Your target on this is 13. I guess you could give it a little bit. 13.5. I would say 13.5 would be that target. I'm gonna actually let me just leave that marked up. We've looked at this before. 13.5 would be that upside target here. If it takes out this breaker again, more than likely you could see a hold now around 12. It's got to get through 12 though. The biggest thing for me when you see these breakouts here is watching these previous highs get respected now. So if it gets a full closure over 12, I would just want to see it. Let's see, 12. You mark 12 here, you get a full closure. You know, let's just say it had a high of like 1250 or something. You'll see we're starting to see this thing play off a nice retrace. It could play off a nice retracement off like 10.5 or something. But I don't know. This thing very nice volume here. The volumes, look at the volume finally spiking again, which is good. But yeah, that breaker could play nice. And then I'd be targeting right up to that 13.683, or even right below that of like 13.6 what was this, 13.397 or something. Bitcoin predictions was the easiest ones today. Are you sure about that? What was the Bitcoin prediction? It was 7940. Yeah, that was pretty high. That was pretty extended. Freaking, yo, Pepe's gonna beat us all, dude. Pepe's gonna beat us all. He's gonna be a better trader than me. Pepe's gonna beat us all. Was ICP there? Was it where? What did I say in the Discord? Les? Do you like to trade stocks, monitor Bitcoin? Yeah, I heard Mara's going nuts today. That's the only one that I would suggest, to be honest. Or it's up 5% today. I would always suggest Mara and then like MicroStrategy. The other ones, meh. I mean, like Hut 8. I mean, I don't even think they made money. Like let's look at Hut 8 financials, guys. Like seriously. I will say though, because of the crypto run, we talked about buying this around $8. But like, look at this. Look at this company. Like it finally made money this quarter one because of its mining whatever. But let's look at how much it's lost. Actually, it did make money there, but it's lost a lot. So barely lost money in 2017, but 2018 lost 100 million. Made 1 million in 2019. Made 14 million in 2020. 2021. At crypto all-time highs, Hut didn't make money. Explain that to me. How do you not make money when crypto was at all-time highs? And the halving didn't happen yet. The halving was, a few years away. How do you not make money in your mining company? How do you say that? I don't understand. I don't understand how in 2021, when crypto was at all-time highs, again, you didn't make money. You lost $57 million. That's why I would not buy Hut. Also, 2022, even with it folding back, loses another 179. Oh yeah, granted. I mean, they freaking this past quarter made 249 million. But like at the same time, when I see when Bitcoin and all of them are at all-time highs in 2021 and they lose $57 million, I don't understand. How? That's the person of rigs and land. Fine. Well, you show me quarter over quarter that you're going to start making 250 million. You're going to keep turning a profit, and then we'll talk. They're finally, this is the first quarter they have. If you're going to buy this thing, now's probably the time to buy it. Like, I mean, if that's something you believe in on this, I'd rather buy Mara, though. I'd rather be in Mara, to be completely honest with you. Mara, last year they lost, but this year they hit pretty big. Last year they hit pretty big. 67% net margin. But in 2021, they lost too, but it wasn't nearly the amount as the other one did. I mean, the hash rate Mara has compared to the others is way greater. Let's look at it, though. I haven't even looked at their annual in a while. They lost even more. These companies did. Even though the growth on Mara has been better. Goodness gracious. I even realized in 22 they lost 600. I don't remember the last time I looked at it. This year, though, their last year they luckily made money. Goodness gracious. But it's funny seeing this and look at their growth. HUT, I just don't know. I based on Mara's hash rate is why I like Mara better. But again, these mining companies are still struggling, which is nuts to me. Like, why? Like, come on. The amount of turnover they have to do on these computers is insane to keep turning a profit. Do I trade indices? Yeah. Are you a sell on Bitcoin? I mean, that was Pepe's Bitcoin prediction. He probably doesn't know what that means. But yeah, we were a sell just for this stream. Guys, if you want to get, like, at the beginning of every stream, we ask everybody if Bitcoin's gonna be more or less than the beginning of the stream's price. If you want to be a part of those Bitcoin predictions and you've enjoyed the stream so far, make sure you join the YouTube stream. You can actually enter a Bitcoin prediction at the beginning of stream. And if you're correct, you get points. Power bills are through the roof. Yeah, I mean, dude, it's hard, man. Clean Spark easily the best. Let's see. Okay. I'm about to open my eyes. You opening my eyes. The thing is, I'd rather just buy Bitcoin than do this, to be honest. But there's not very many companies that I think Mara is the only one I've ever bought shares of. Look at their annual. They've never turned a profit. I don't know what you're talking about, Clean Spark being the best. They've never turned a profit. At least HUT and frickin' Mara have turned a profit. These guys have never turned a profit. That's insane, dude. Never turned a profit. Since 2017, these guys haven't turned a profit. Best at losing money. like literally. Yo, Price, you spend spam symbols. I'm not gonna look at them. I mean, easy as that. That's hilarious, dude. They have never turned a profit. All right. Well, when they turn a profit, I'll be happy to look at them again. But I mean, that's the problem with these mining companies is competing for hash rate, and then also with the halving is. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough, man. I can't imagine. Luckily, I mean, HUT, out of all those now, I'm like, dang, maybe I should look at HUT. I have YouTube Prime. How do I get a free Hodl Gang plug coin when you go to the main YouTube channel? Or just under this stream? If you just go here, you go to the Luxal YouTube channel or under the stream, all you have to do is click join under our members here. Hit join. But if you go into, if you just click the bottom of this stream, you should be able to see it as well. Unless you're on mobile might be different. You might have to be on desktop. Yeah. Oh, is Euro going? Yeah, Euro's. Yeah, I guess still doing the same thing. How's the NASDAQ and the ES doing? Gosh, that thing dumped. Gold's chilling. Crude oil, guys, 73, dude. What is the low on this? Yo, dude. Wow. 72.48. Our freaking short, man. We took a short out at 75. Man, we were literally, guys, we were literally short at 80. 81 nearly. Gosh, that sucks. Bitcoin dump, told you. Okay. Say my name. Putkey. How you doing, man? What's your take on odd USD? I don't look at the Australian dollar too much. All right, guys, we have, I don't know, 40 minutes. All right, in this case, man, for the Australian dollar, first off, this looks pretty solid off this low so far. This looks like it could come up and retest, you know, at least like 68. What's nice about this is, you know, you had this. This is still considered a higher low from this low, right? This is a higher low here from this low. You're getting another higher low off of that. For now, with this breaking, if this can hold, this thing can hold 66.295 or 664, we could say. Sorry, 663, my bad. This could hold 663. I'd probably be targeting 68. Your upside play right now is way better this on the weekly. Let me go to the daily. That's the weekly time frame, sorry. Daily, similar. Yeah, it's holding. If this thing can hold 663, yet again, target 68. That's what I'd go for. But it is struggling a bit there, so it's gotta. You really gotta see it hold. Your odds to the upside there are still good, so long as it's above that 663. Bitcoin more in 40 minutes. Watch. Yeah, it could be. These things flip and go nuts. Hit the likes. Yeah, hit that like button, baby. Jacob, if Bitcoin pump over 790, will you do a cartwheel before the stream ends? No, Crypto Kid. I told you, brother. If Bitcoin hits an all-time high this week, I'll do a cartwheel. If it hits an all-time high this week, I'll do a cartwheel. The problem is I'll probably be doing that cartwheel in Dallas. I'm going to be in Texas end of the week, so I don't know where I'm going to do that. Actually, I think I'll be streaming in a pool house, so maybe we'll jump in the pool or something. We'll definitely jump in a pool, I'll tell you that. Wedding cartwheel. I'll be streaming at a pool house, so we'll jump in. We'll jump in a pool. All right, let's keep going. Do a cartwheel in the pool? Okay. Come on, brother. Come on, Wild. See me after this on the in the meeting. We'll talk. We're talking. We're getting together after this. Hut 8 is Canadian and U.S. I don't know, man. All I care about is the money they're making or losing. Yo, what's up, Parker? How you doing, man? That's crazy, though. 3-4 billion in revenue for Nvidia from just Tesla. Come on, man. Goodness gracious. Yo, Mr. Doggy. Love the name. We stream every day, brother. Between 1 and 2 Eastern. It just depends on how my day's going. Today's been a disaster, but we're all good. We're here. Those chips sitting in the warehouse makes sense now. What? Are you talking to me? Oh, I see what you're saying. I'm an idiot. Gosh dang it. He's talking about the freaking Nvidia chips. I got Clean Spark. Riot still looks like it needs some time to run. Let's look at Riot. Maybe Riot is the winner. How's Riot? Gosh, it's still sub $9. Let's look at Riot's money. Okay. Riot's looking. Nope. Riot's never made money. Year over year, they lost 19, 58, 20. They almost broke over into the black and then negative. Crazy negative in 2022. Gosh. Freaking Riot, bro. They literally, luckily, the past quarter they made a lot of these mining companies made a ton of money this past quarter. Dude, Riot's garbage. Do you look at real estate? No, I own one house. That's all I got. I like losing money coins. Uni, stop that weekly close. Yeah, let's look at it. I like that. You know me. Let's look. Uni swap. Uni swappy. Yo, it did. Wow. Honestly, I'd be targeting like this one here. It's pretty close. You know, 12, 13 buckaroonies looks solid. Dude, the daily though, like this is again, guys. If you ever play like retracement plays like this, wow, see that fib? I mean, what a lovely bounce. Retracement right off of the after that chotch there. When you have a retracement or a fib lining up above a change of character like that, it's literally golden if it bounces. Absolutely ripped. I would have targeted 1133 or just this previous high right here at 1164 for my TP1. Your TP2 now would be like 13. Honestly, I'd go for 13. Dude, that's insane, dude. This is a scam pump. We'll see, Phil. I hope so. I hope so that this bull run they can start turning some serious profit. They got a lot of ground to make up. That's terrible, dude. They've lost a lot of money in the past few years. Sometimes your hole's too deep, you can't dig out of it. It's hard to dig out of a hole that deep. Let's look at GameStop today. Yo, you know what sucks too? Today's gonna be a green day on GameStop, but it literally it gapped down. It almost didn't. It had a great post-market run and then just sold off. Some big seller. Gap down though. Yo, but remember we talked about this, dude. Look at this. I mean, look at Roaring Kitty's position. Yesterday, 76% total gain on his call options. That was they were the June 21st 20 calls, right? Let's go look at that again. Where are they at right now? Does anybody know? Options 21st. Yeah, they're at 850 right now. They're at 850 the last time. Where'd that go? What was his entry? Oh, he's still in the green on those. He has 567. That's crazy, dude. That's a crazy average price for literally what was it, like freaking how many does he have? 120,000 of them. That's nuts. That's still a crazy average price. Questions for everyone. What happens to the USD futures pair if U.S. Justice Department actually sanctions Tether? I'm a bit concerned that this is coming, but will it cause a panic? You know, that's a good question. I think it's going to be different. I mean, it's going to mostly affect U.S. customers, right? U.S. users, right? But I don't know. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. Does it affect the entire, like? Yeah, I don't know. That would be probably a better question for somebody that's more dialed into that whole kind of potential takeover. It'd be interesting. I don't think they would, though, to be honest. I don't think they would take out Tether. You mean short the real estate market? No. People are much shorting at 70K thinking Bitcoin will do that move every time. They will get wrecked soon. I 100% agree. Yo, guys, this is bouncing back a bit. This is the price action concepts indicator and the oscillator matrix. Guys, we got about 13 minutes here. Pepe's killing it, dude. Pepe knows what's up. 13 minutes here on Bitcoin predictions. It's gonna go. I agree. I 100% agree. Guys, gold, gold has to break 2360 for me to be bullish on it. Otherwise, I think it's going to retest 2300. I'm not going to lie. How much time for me to pump the price of Bitcoin? Eating bear since 43K, literally. Gold has to get through 2360 or it's going to hit 2300. Yeah, I mean, I would be shocked if it didn't. Let's be honest. Seriously, let's be honest. Natural gas, though, back down as well. Yo, gosh, Solana, what are you doing, dude? Get up. You better close. You better close over yesterday's high. We're gonna have an issue. Bitcoin 70K. Bitcoin 7371. There's too much to trade, Phil. We stick to major cryptos and like indexes, NASDAQ, yes, crude oil, stuff like that, gold. I still can't believe those options are still that far in the money. This is big, though, guys. If you're just tuning in, too, appreciate you being here. This SEC approval, the Thai SEC approving Bitcoin ETFs was huge for Bitcoin. It's probably a big reason why we're up today. I think Solana, the meme coin rally is over, to be honest. Altcoin season is upon us. Yeah, but Solana is an altcoin, dude. Run with it. If that's what you're saying, it would 100% probably run the exact same. We're going Solana this year at least 250, I think. I think we're gonna hit 200. We're at least gonna retest 200 again. He did? That's funny. Is GME reacting to that as well? Did you guys see the GME meme coin though that like went freaking bonkers the other day? Where is that actually? Yo, look at this. GME meme coins at Ascent. Yo, look at that spike. That was yesterday. That's crazy. After hours move. GME meme coin. That's so funny. Australian Bitcoin ETF trade today too. Yeah, it's going to add a lot of volume. Yeah, Avalanche. We didn't really talk about that. Avalanche, remember, we like it to make that move back up into the 40s, right? We were looking for like 45, 46. I think I actually said 47, but anywhere around that area in like mid 40s. But I think it's going to retest 32 first. We'll see. I mean, hopefully it doesn't, but I like that it's holding with the oscillator still dipping like that, which is good. But 40 I do like. Let me go to the weekly. I think the weekly was Y. Maybe not. No, we said right there, 47. Sorry, that weekly right there. Weekly high. It was the weekly high. Solana 230, I like that. Solar stock analysis, which one? How are solar stocks doing, to be honest? Yeah, where's Jupiter? I haven't looked at that in a day or two. Jupiter is still holding. Guys, 9 minutes on Bitcoin predictions. Pepe's killing it today. Pepe's killing it today. We'll see what he does. Yo, Richard, it just depends on what plan you want to start with, brother. You also get 30 days risk-free, though. So, feel free to tune into the streams when you like it. Yo! Okay, never mind. Yo, I did get a continuation. Look at the weekly here. I didn't even see this. Weekly candle getting a 3 continuation signal this week if it closes where it's at, guys. That's huge. That's huge. Bitcoin all-time high, guys. Remember, if that happens this week, we're doing a cartwheel. If it happens when we're not 9 minutes till the Bitcoin prediction, yeah. Just because of the whole delay, dude. We're not gonna be here for the 2 hours because we had the stream crash and all that stuff. I said at market close we're gonna take our Bitcoin predictions today. But dude, man, that's gonna be sick. If we hit all-time high this week, guys said, dude, RSR. All right, this thing's got to get going. I like that it's back over these highs. The weekly, I'm not a fan of. Look at that. Look at that massive order block there. Weekly rejecting nicely. I mean, maybe. I mean, if it can get back, it's got to get through 10. I mean, I like it if it's going to hold this high here. Look at that chotch right there. If it's going to hold that zone there, you just need a breaking move back to 9. And then over 9, you could easily maybe get a move to like 9.5, 10 cents on that one for RSR. Jay, come on, since you did those predictions. I mean, come on, man. Bullish pen on Bitcoin today. Everything is bigger in Texas, even cartwheels. Yo, that's good. That's hilarious. That's pretty funny, bro. I don't remember the last time I looked at Flux. Dogecoin not doing anything. Doji. Flux. I haven't even looked at Flux in a minute. I remember buying this a long time ago. What feels like a long time ago. This thing, man. I mean, the fact that it's like still kind of at $1. XRP alive. We're not looking at XRP. Yo, what's up, crypto? How you doing, man? Flux, I mean, it's just got to get some volume, dude. It's got to get some volume. What's our mover on this? Uni's the mover today. Big mover. Wow, 21%. Oh, this honey one. Honey, that used to be the Hive mapper. Yeah, that one's up 9% today. Wow. Remember here. Yeah, I gotta take a piss. I gotta wait though. I'll wait till the stream's done. Yo, freaking Matic though. I don't remember the last time I looked at Matic. We had that. Remember we had the Matic trade into the 120s, and then it literally just caked its pants after that sell-off. That sucks. Let me go back to Ethereum. Yo, dude, come on, Ethereum. ETH, guys, we got to see ETH close over at least 3,800 today. Come on. Yeah, at least close over 3,800 today, please. I mean, again, guys, if this thing's gonna hold 3,700, right, I'm okay with it. But like, I wish it would close over 3,800 today. I don't even want to look at ADA. Hey, actually, that's not too bad. Today's not bad, dude. On ADA, finally. It's got to get through 50 cents, but today's not a bad day. This week's doing good. This week's doing good. 5 minutes, guys, on Bitcoin predictions. Oh, man. Got to get through 50. I'm big invested in base memes. Honestly, the base is interesting, dude. Like, can you even look at that chart? No, because it's just as stable. I thought you could, though. Can't you look at it? Wait. I thought it just popped up there. Yeah, BAS, right? No. Because it's coin. That looks like the Coinbase logo, though. That's so funny. Can't you look at the chart? BCH? We haven't looked at that in a minute, either. You just look at Coinbase stock? I thought you could look at a chart, though, for it. Guess not. GameStop, man, I don't know. It depends. It depends on the news with E-Trade, and it depends on the news with, like, potentially, I don't even know, what's going to happen with the man himself, Roaring Kitty. Who knows? At this point, I have no idea. It's going to be interesting. I thought you could at least chart base, but maybe not. I mean, you wouldn't really do much, but there's no way to analyze it. It wouldn't make any sense, I guess. That's, yeah, whatever. You got scalping out. I mean, dude, it just, you know, you can create your own. Like, the whole idea around our indicators is to utilize them in your own way, right? It's a toolkit. You use it to kind of give you an edge in the market. Find your edge, right? It's a big one. XRP is done. I 100% agree. Yo, W's in the chat. Huddle Gangs in the chat for our boy Chris. Speaking facts, XRP is done. Happy with Microsoft today? Yeah, finally. BCH though, dude. Yeah, man, that 500 level. I was wishing it would have held it. Right. 2 minutes on Bitcoin prediction. Stop talking about XRP when I'm long on it. Someone just placed a 2.1 million Bitcoin order. I feel like that's nothing. Man, 522 break would need to happen here on BCH. That order block there is just literally standing tall. It's like, no, I don't think so, pal. I don't think so. You ain't going through that. Yeah, I mean, this thing's got to get up over 500. Otherwise, they'll still be bearish on it. Let's go to Bitcoin. Watch the closing. Yo, this actually came back quite a bit here. So, Bitcoin prediction price. Pepe's killing it, dude. Bitcoin prediction price was 70,940. If you're asking yourself, what the heck is Bitcoin predictions? Well, at the beginning of every stream, if you tune in between 1 and 2 Eastern, that's when we start it. Between 1 and 2 Eastern every single day, you'll see a scheduled stream. You get a chance to enter in a Bitcoin prediction. I give you a price of the start of the stream, and you say, hey, do I think it's going to be more or less? If you're correct, you get 100 points added to your profile. Pepe also picks his entry. Today, Pepe picked less, as you can see there. And so far, he's killing it. So, great job, Pepe. So, let's see. We got 30 seconds here. The price was, what was it again? I freaking picked more, dude. That was dumb. I'm clouded by the Bitcoin bull run, brother. 940. All right. Was 940. Yo, 23 seconds. Can it clear it? 940 is like up here, though. Looks like less is going to be right again. If you were in the Discord thread, you would know you need to say less. No, I'm going just based on my gut. It didn't work. What do you mean XRP is done? Oh, we got to close it there. Great job, Pepe. That's the 2-hour mark. Or not 2-hour mark. That's the 3 o'clock mark, my friends. That's closing of U.S. market as well as just that's what we said on the Bitcoin predictions too. Actually, not a bad price take profit. But in that case, remember it's time-based on the Bitcoin predictions. Les is the winner today. Great job. If you said Les, great job, guys. Great job. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's live stream. Let's see who didn't say less really quickly. And then your boy gots to go. Who said less? Who said more? Here we go, baby. Remember, yesterday, if you didn't get your Bitcoin predictions, your points, I will add them for you tonight, okay? So be ready for that. All right, Nicholas with the less. Let's go, Nicholas. Adam with the more. Come on, man. Junior with the more. Come on, man. Dame with the less. Great job, Dame. Tom with the more. Come on, man. Wild with the more, dude. What do I expect? What am I expecting there? Of course, he said more. Doberman with the more. Frank with the more. Come on, man. Hold on. Come on, man. Airs to chat for Jacob as well. And then hoorays for Pepe, dude. Congrats, buddy. Great job. Great job. Great job. All right. Let's see who else. Adam with the less. Dora with the more. TJ with the more. Yam with the less. Great job, Yam. Tal with the more. Gaming with the less. Let's go, Gaming. Demonic with the less. Let's go, Demonic. Sordic with the more. Igor with the less. Fam with the less. Brian with the less. Yo, let's go. Great job. You put less in. Great job. Mike with the less. Jenny with the less. Okay, Jonah with the more. Aaron with the more. Crypto Mindset with the more. Boo, Crypto Mindset. What are you doing, brother? I'm just kidding. Alex with the more. Why'd you follow me? Brad with the more. Jazz with the less. RB Sniper with the less. Maxi with the less. Crypto Kid with the more. Bolo with the more. Marissa with the less. Troy with the more. Wardo with the more. Come on, man. Anthony with the less. Alfred with the more. John with the less. Sniper with the less. Bog with the more. Greg with the more. Richard with the less. Casey with the more. Come on, man. Matt with the less. Report with the more. Apollo with the goodness gracious. There's so many. All right, guys. I'll be adding all of it. Great job, guys. If you said less today, that was the Bitcoin prediction. You're killing it. You get 100 points out of your profile. Who's in the leaderboard right now? Crypto Kid in first with 140 points. Great job, Crypto Kid. Now, these will adjust based on the predictions I put in. They're not in yet, okay? So I'll put in the ones from yesterday as well if you didn't get it added today. But, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You know what? I'm going to flip the music over. 1 second. I'm happy that the stream didn't crash again. Thank the Lord. That was a disaster. Hopefully this works. All right, we're good. All right, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. Hope you have a great rest of your day. I thought we're at an all-time high. If we hit an all-time high this week, I promise you we will. I didn't even unpin that message. We will do a cartwheel live on stream. I promise. All right. You guys, if you want to be a part of your Bitcoin predictions like we just showed you guys, make sure you tune into the main YouTube stream to be a part of that, okay? But besides that, I appreciate you all for tuning in. Come back tomorrow between 1 and 2 Eastern. Guys, remember, Thursday will be no stream. We'll probably do a stream Friday. It might be a shorter stream, but we'll be doing the $300 giveaway on Friday as well. Thank you, guys. I will see you Thursday, no stream, Brad. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the Discord. I'm going to start being more active in there, I promise. I'm trying to figure out a way I can add time to be more active in there. Join the Discord, click Hangout, click the thread button. Join Discord, click Hangout, click the thread button, go to Luxcycle Live on YouTube. Now, besides that, guys, I want to encourage you to start talking in the other chats, okay? Ping me in the other chats. Talk in the crypto chat if you want to talk about crypto. Talk in the futures chat, you want to talk about futures. Whatever. I trade futures in the morning. I like that. But overall, my swings and stuff, I always talk about crypto. But join them. Talk in those chats. Let's hang out in there. It's absolutely free, so make sure you do join up. It's just discord.gg/Lux, or just Google search Lux Algo Discord, okay? Appreciate you guys. They'll probably put the links in the chat as well. Junior, type in exclamation Discord. I got you. There it is. Boom. Join that Discord there, Junior. But if you want to just talk about just the stream, goodness gracious, what is this? If you want to talk about just the stream, go into the threads of the Hangout and click the Luxcycle Live on YouTube. I'll be in there and everywhere else. Okay, guys? All right, my friends. Thank you so much yet again for tuning in. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow between 1 and 2 Eastern. Man, keep killing it. And I'll see you then, my friends. Peace.
Who's your daddy?